Okay, gang, it is August 1st, 2024, and I'm going to take a video inside my car showing, I hope, I guess that didn't work. I want to show the lighting in this car. Well, there it is, I guess. Showing the ambient lighting in my 2015 Buick Lacrosse. This is what you see at night. I've got ambient lighting across the dashboard here. I have the door ajar, just a crack. And here's some on the doors, so you can see what the heck you're doing. It's really cool. I love this. Only one color. Some newer cars let you change the color of the ambient lighting, but in this one they're just kind of set there. Boy, there's even one in the back seat. I don't know if I can get that or not. Here's the center stack. Which is kind of coming out. Let me see what I can do here. Come on, Ray. Okay, there's a center stack. The middle screen, the main screen, and that's about all I'm getting. So, little test with the Pocket 3 with actually zero light. Let's see how it came out.